Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to target the best discount stores using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So we'll start with our small businesses and targeting. We are going to Columbus, Ohio, which I guess is a sort of a hub for discount stores. We're maybe going to go to like 25, just to expand our search radius. Next to lock it in, we are doing discount stores today. Discount stores. Yeah, quite a few. I'm gonna add those. Hit next. We want owners and founders and directors and executives. We are only targeting the owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll cover for that as well. Next we're gonna go filter. We are gonna go. The first one we're gonna do is we're gonna do our Google review score. We're gonna set this between a 3 and a 5, and we want it between this range because that guarantees that you'll be working with, creditable, good, like reputable businesses. If they're between a 3 and a 5, it means that their customers and clients respect them, and they'll just be easier to work with. They won't be fussy. They'll be more collaborative. So 3 and a 5, I think this is like the golden filter, to be honest. Next we are going to do a franchise or national chain, and we're just going to exclude franchises and national chains. We don't want any like value villages or anything. So just lock that in. Then we're going to go to our deliver. Let's say I'm a marketing or I'm like a digital marketer trying to work with discount stores. I'm going to highlight a couple of data metrics that'll be really useful for you. So Google review count, Google review score, GMB profile, GMB claimed. If their business isn't claimed, but their search position is really good, like that's almost like a free client, because just registering their business on Google is just gonna get them in front of so many more people. Social media is a good one too. We are gonna ignore direct dial as we are getting direct email, which I just direct dial is doubling the cost of your leads. So at the end of the day, just stick to the direct email. My little advice. Social media is good for insights, or good for like their marketing insights, like what they're spending their money on marketing. If they have like, good SEO but bad social media, then you can build a package out of like you could build a package out for improving their social media. Revenue, headcount, and data salvage are great filters for taking your 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. The ad pixels are really great. And another marketing metric. The technologies are really great for building out your package for them. Like if they have a WordPress website and WordPress, it's just it just synergizes better your relationship with the client. And then search term, search location, and search location, and search position are all great SEO metrics. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in, finish that up. Make sure to give it a title, set your context required. I always save a draft just in case. Just in case if I launch it and cancel it, I can go back. Or just just in case I launch it and then I want to change something, I can cancel it and then go back in my draft, and I'm not starting from scratch. So with that being said, I'm going to launch that. Discount stores in Columbus. It's allocating back up in our task overview. That just means that our team has it and it'll be ready in about 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best discount stores using Coldlytics. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.